Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Starfield This Item is not available error, which is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about when you're having this issue, we need to exit the Steam. For exiting the Steam, closing over here is not the exiting the Steam. For exiting the Steam, just go over here in the Steam, go to exit. Once you exit the game, just restart your system and try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to run the Steam as an administrator. For many of the users, this worked, not the game, just run the Steam as an administrator. For just go over here, we can go over here and search for Steam, and there is an option called run as an administrator. Go for yes. So try running it as an administrator and try launch the game, the Starfield, and see whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about nothing but we have to update the game. So right now the game is up to date, but the users who are having this issue, make sure this particular change is being set in the game. That is, just go over here in the Starfield, right click and go to the properties, go to the updates and go over here, select this one. Always keep this game updated. Only update this game when I launch it, high priority. This is what you have to set. Now go over here and keep this to always keep this game updated, and we have to launch the game. This will work for in most cases because this worked for many users, so we can try this out as well. Next one is all about nothing but we have to verify integrity of game file. So just go over here in the game, right click, and we have to go to the properties, go to install it file, and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So verify integrity of game file, when you click on this one and when you launch the game, this is going to take a little bit of time. It will cross check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, all these kind of issues will be fixed. And once afterwards try launch the game, and most probably that's going to help you guys out. Last and the least one is all about we have to clear the Steam download cache. This is very important. For this we just need to go over here in the Steam, we have to go to settings. Now from here we have to go to the downloads, and over here there is an option called clear download cache. You can see this, just click on this one and clear the cache. Once afterwards what you need to do is we just need to do a complete restart. Once afterwards try launch the game, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. So these are the possible workaround which can be done. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.